Man, what's popping with you guys on the YouTube? If you don't know who I am, I go by Mr. Buck. Thank you for clicking this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I caught 1,000 pips off one move trading US30. So, before I get into the video, I literally kind of just found out about Forex and about trading around June 22nd, June 20th, around that time. Before that time, I did not know what Forex was at all. I didn't know it existed. So I'm really a newbie trader in this. It hasn't been 2 months since I've known about trading. Did start with an IML. I explained that in my first video, so go ahead and check that out. Really, I'm really just a newbie at this. I haven't really developed a real trading plan yet. I'm still kind of learning really the motions of the market, and I'm really just want to get focused on price action, technical analysis trading. I don't want to get into the indicators. I have been reading this book called Naked Forex Trading Without Indicators. It's a great book. I've been learning a lot of things. So you guys bear with me. If you're watching, you probably have been trading longer than me and know more than me. So just bear with me. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing on my journey, because one day I want to become a professional Forex trader. So I've been working every day at this since I found out for the past month and a half or so. Really, let's just get into the trade, right? This is why you guys clicked on the video. So let me see. How do I screen record? Boom. Okay. So here go the chart, right? This the 15. So I took the trade off the 5 minute, right? Oh shit. Back. Okay. So I had this zone marked up, which is 27 flat. It was acting as a support slash resistance, as you can see right here. Broke above. Really couldn't do it, broke below. It just kept playing around this little area. You see right here, it was building liquidity. Over here, I could see fake breakout to the bottom. To the upside right here. Fake like it was going down. Then it shot back up. So there, I kind of knew that the market was really going up, right? I seen this happen. The market come down, boom, hit this level again, and shoot up. This candle engulfed all these, you know what I'm saying? And this candle engulfed the rest. So basically, I knew, the market was going up. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have many other confluences on that. The reason why I took this, because I've been reading this book, right? Naked Forex. There's a thing called the last kiss that they talk about. When price breaks a certain level, it comes to retouch. And on that retouch, if you see a strong bullish candle and engulfed all these, most likely the price is going up. Not for sure, just most likely. So I waited, you know what I'm saying? And I seen this. Once I seen this, I'm like, it's gotta go up. It engulfed all of these. This is the 5 minute, just so you guys know. And I basically got in, right? And so, like I told you guys, I don't have a trading plan. I'm really just learning Forex day by day while still, putting in little trades. You know what I'm saying? But this right here. So when I put in the trade initially, I put it in with no stop loss or no take profit. Okay, so that right there is pretty dangerous, right? So let me see. So when I got in, I just really was kind of monitoring it. So this is my desk where I actually work. So I got in the trade and then just started doing other work and just was coming back to it. And I seen that it was, shooting up, right? So if I were to put in a take profit, it should have been, let's see, what, like here, like in this area. But if you can see, Price broke up even above that. Price, it came up. I had, mind you, I had no take profit in, so I was just really monitoring and looking at it. So once price did this, I knew I had to get out. You know what I'm saying? So price did this, I'm like, it's gonna go down, you know. So I ended up getting out, but if you could see, price did push up. So up here was about 1,300 pips. Okay, that's a lot of pips, boys and girls. That's a lot of pips. But I didn't have a take profit in, so I just kind of was just watching the market being greedy. I could have took profit here, anywhere. This is 500 pips, 700 pips, right? So I just took it when it came back down for a good 949 pips. Okay, I know I kind of clickbaited you guys with 1,000 pips. It was about 950 pips. Okay, basically 1,000. Okay, I just wanted to round it up. Sorry, don't get me for the clickbait. Okay, but so I came down, right. This looked like a little morning star to me, you know, or evening star. One of them, I forget what it was. I have to look at my notes. Morning star, I think it's morning, but boom, it reversed in a sense, right? But it still never, I would have still been in profit, and it actually kept shooting up. You know, if you're a swinger, you could have caught that up there. Let's see, 2,000 pips. Now that's a payday, right? So I caught 949, and basically that's just really off the strength of reading this book, watching a lot of YouTube videos, and just trying to educate myself on everything that I can, while, you know, just putting in little basic moves like this to try to see if they work. You know what I'm saying? So I don't recommend trading like that or anything. Hold on. I'm just gonna keep studying and try to build a trading plan and share it to you guys, so you guys can see what I do and see if I become profitable. But once I do create a trading plan, I'm gonna back test it, obviously, a little bit, and see what it do. But yeah, I don't know. As a beginner, I don't know if I should be trading the dirty 30, but it worked out in this trade. I've had a lot of losses too. Can show you guys actually what this trade looked like before we go. 3, 2. So this one is the trade right here. As you guys can see, I got plenty of little losses in here. This is the trade I took right here for 189. So 20 cents a pip times 950. It's around 189. And just so you guys know, this is a demo account. Okay, I haven't hopped in a real live account either. I want to be transparent with y'all. It is a demo account. You feel me? I'm not gonna sit here and cap with y'all or nothing like that. Soon, I think real soon, maybe as of next week, I'm gonna hop into a live trading account and just try these little trades. Throw a few hundred or something in there, but I don't know. Whatever I do, I'll let you guys know. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Comment on this video just to let me know what you think. Any, you know, mistakes you've seen that I did or anything, just let me know. I want to hear the criticism. Other than that, appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys very soon. We going up. Yiddy. But the way it looks, I'm afraid it's over.